What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Alchemy Pay, which is down 2.7 cents at 2 cents. I've followed Alchemy Pay for a very, very long time before the prior bull run. Not this one, the one before that. When it first got listed on Coinbase, that was a fun time. But Alchemy Pay is down 2.7% at 2 cents. We have a $106 million market cap with an all-time high price of 1987 3 years ago. Yes, 3 years ago I was there, and I remember playing that Jasmine card right there to the upside. All-time low was 3 years ago as well, 001. So look at that. All-time low was in July of 2021. All-time high was in August 6. That's like less than a month. It's a couple weeks. It went from the low to the high. Insane. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Alchemy Pay. All right, everybody, let's get into Alchemy Pay. This is on Coinbase. This was the launch that sent it to its all-time high price. That's back when they got launched on Coinbase and they partnered with Binance Pay. I remember it like it was yesterday. But outside of that, bear market bottom came in December of 2022, and we've been bullish ever since. I know it doesn't look like that, but if you look at the bottom right here, we put in a high, higher low. This is technically a higher high right here, and we're getting into a higher low. So we're getting ready for that secondary or that third push to the upside, and we're in the start phase of the bull run. So I'm pretty excited about that. Our goal line right here for Alchemy Pay is getting over that 382 area at about 2.6 cents. Once you get over 2.6 cents on the day chart, that's when things will start getting really, really fun. And we'll start seeing some more bullish momentum to the upside. Short term, high to low, similar situation. 382 is what we currently got rejected off of. If I had to make an assessment here in the short term on the day chart, I do think there's a chance that Alchemy Pay is probably going back down to that 1.9 cents to test this area. This was an area of consolidation for a very long time, all the way back to August of 2024. If we look at the MACD is actually fallen as well. We're losing our bullish momentum. The RSI's not really taking off, but we're not really falling as well. The RSI is actually not looking that bad. We're putting in higher highs and higher lows since the bottom of August 2024. So that's pretty good. And on top of that, the WTX is starting to roll over. So the WTX is starting to roll over on the day chart as well. Now, if you look at the short-term time frame, this will give us a little bit of idea of what's going to be happening here, most likely in the short term. Yeah, it kind of looks like we already have a double top forming here on ACH. November 11th, we had a top. November 14th, we had a top. Indicators are falling right now. They're not falling in a bad way. They're just resetting, reaccumulating. On top of that, RSI put in a lower high after flashing red on the 4-hour. When it flashes red, that's a sign saying, hey, it might be a good idea to take some profit here, because normally every time you touch red, like similar, we touched red right here, we fell. We touched red right here on the RSI, we fell. Usually when you touch red on the RSI V swap, that is usually an indicator that it might be a good idea to take some profit. On top of that, the WTX printed 3 sell signals right here. So we got 3 sell signals. We got a red RSI. So that right there on the short term is like, hey, I should be taking profit. On top of that, you can also see the last time we flashed red back here, we had a sell signal on the WTX. So the WTX is pretty good. Every time it flashes green, you can see it has been a pretty decent opportunity to buy. You can see October 3rd, it flashed green right here. You rode that. You can see October 26th right here. Could have rode that. Flash green right here. September 2024. Could have rode that. So the WTX and the RSI V swap are very powerful indicators to play with each other. Now, in the short term right now, like I mentioned, I do think we are most likely heading back to that 1.9. Overall, I think ACH is probably going to go up to $1 plus this bull run. I mean, we're only at a $100 million market cap, which is peanuts, absolutely peanuts. And if I had to make a guess, which, nobody can really hit the nail on the head, but I would say that, I would say the 1618 is definitely possible. Anywhere between the 1236, 1618 for the bull run top. So yeah, $2 is definitely on the table for ACH, which from where we're at, it's a massive, massive gain. That's a holy cow. What is that? 760. Okay, maybe not that much. That's a little high, but if the 1236, yeah, that's a 24x or 240x. I could definitely see that. I could definitely see ACH possibly doing that and coming up here. But in the meantime, we are putting in higher highs and higher lows. It's just, going back to January 2023, it's just taking a while. Now we're entering the bull run, and when things start heating up in the bull run, there's really no pullback. You just start going straight to the moon. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.